welcome back to my channel.
I'm gonna lower the music for a bit. Just for a minute. They got some las islitas. I came right here one time. Con alguien que me invitó ahí. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
So is it good?
No, I'm just kidding. No caigo ahí. I don't think I'm going there.
I thought you really said
No, I have not gone there. I don't think so. So we have little guys like that too. Not that I have something against it, but anyways, I bought a little cage and Buffalo Wild Wings. Cualquiera de los dos. But I think Wingstop is like more like
you gotta hit más allá because aquí solo las de aquí me están saliendo mareadas.
So I came.
There's one out here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there's one.
I came to the Swapmeet. If you guys are familiar, you know El Faro. It's like a Hispanic, a little outdoor. Is it outdoor indoor? I don't know how to explain it, but they have a like. It's similar like to a flea market. Yeah. Swapmeet, as many know. Many of you guys know. Anyways, I came to like 3 pet shops because I needed to buy a little cage for my bird. If you guys don't know, I have 2 finches and we also have 2 big green birds. But I needed to separate the finches because the colorful one is beating up the other one, and I think it's beating him up because he's sick. And if you guys don't know, birds behave weird. Anyway, I got 2 bags of food for them. What happened? She scared me. Where? Yeah, you can tell. That was cool. And then I got medicine for the bird because the little white one, his little feathers are falling, so that's what I got. It was only $9.99. And then I got another one. This is for all of the birds. I actually have like a few treats and like medicine for the birds, but this is like very important. So I had to, come all the way across town to get this stuff for cheaper, if that makes sense. Because in Petco, it's sometimes overpriced. And we don't find them. Yeah, we don't find the medicine. So that's that, and my sister's like right here next to us. And we're gonna go get food right now. I know she shows her fingers. Peace signs. Anyways, my skin is glowing. I've gained weight. I have no makeup on. My hair is growing. I'm drinking vitamins. It's pretty good. Life has been great. The sky is blue. You guys can see it through the window. I mean, it's pretty obvious. We got Starbucks earlier, but we finished it, obviously. We saw some pugs. They were super cute at the Swapmeet. They were $700. I really wanted to talk, but I thought they were cute. They're puppies. And then we saw other 2 birds. I don't know what breed. Not birds. Puppies.
Puppies, yeah.
But we don't know the breed of them.
They're like multi-poodles, no? Like mixed.
Yeah, they were mixed. They look cute though. And then, as you guys could see, I got these 3 piercings back again recently. You guys know me. I like piercings. What else did I get? That's pretty much it.
You had a tattoo on your neck?
No, I did not. No, I haven't gotten any tattoos or anything like that.
I want to go get a tattoo though.
I don't know, me too. I think we're gonna go get tattoos with Michelle and Cindy. I think I told you.
Let me go.
Yeah, no, I was saying to my sister that we wanted to get tattoos with my friends. They want to get like matching tattoos or like something that, represents all of us. I don't mind. Yeah, like friendship. But we still don't know. I think they say like a little heart, like, the Care Bears. They have a little heart. But I told them I don't want a heart because I already have 1 heart. Like, as a tattoo in my back. Why would I want another one?
Like, if I were to ever, not that I am, but to get a tattoo, I think I'll do a little paw.
A little paw is cute, yeah.
You guys can steal my idea. So.
Nobody's stealing your idea.
So that doesn't
I always thought of a paw than cat, but no, I'd rather have like the little face for some reason. I would want Chester's face, but it's too much.
Yeah.
Too many
I was
details.
thinking a little.
Hey everyone, so we come back to Xavier and I am going to eat and enjoy my food. These kind of hurt me a little.